supposed to start snowing in about 3 hours.
We survived the night.
So me and Everett decided to try camping on this island tonight. There's quite a bit of work. We gotta clean up these vines, make a good area.
And there's snow on the ground.
And it's supposed to snow tonight. It's gonna be interesting. This is first cold weather camping.
It's my first time being in that hammock.
Yep, our first time sleeping together in a hammock. We'll see how it does. But for now, we're gonna clean up this area and get ready for nightfall because it's supposed to start snowing in about 3 hours. All right, so we have the hammock set up finally. Everett's enjoying it already. But we are gonna have to set up the tarp above it because they are calling for about 5 inches of snow tonight. So we're gonna get that set up. We're on our property, so it's not like if he can't make through the night, we can take him into his bed, but he's really excited.
I'm excited that we're gonna be warm and cozy in this.
We're gonna try to share this hammock tonight. It is a 2-person. So now we need to just collect some firewood and get ready for the night before it starts snowing and we can't get the fire started.
I never did a hammock, and I don't know how they really work. But I'm smart, and I give a thumbs up.
Sounds good. I think we'll be a little tight, but it's gonna be cold, so being tight will keep us nice and warm, right?
Yep.
All right, let's get you out of there and start collecting some branches to get the fire started. Went back to the house to get more supplies, and we got back here when it started sleeting like really heavy, so we're gonna try to get our fire going real quick.
Then we're gonna try to start our chicken up so we can eat.
So hopefully we got the fire going so we can make food before it gets too bad out here, but we were planning on snow. We got freezing rain instead. Sweet, whatever you call it. But I think it's still gonna be a good night.
We got the hammock, we got the tarp set up.
Yep.
And we got the bench, we got the fire set up, we got our matches, we got a paper, we got a chicken. We're all good out here. I'm strong.
We got the fire going finally. It's sleeting so heavily that this is just covered in ice. It's gonna be an interesting night.
So we can get that chicken going.
Time to make some supper. I just got 3 pieces of chicken here I'm gonna put in the foil and making the fire. Something real simple.
The fire's going good. We got chicken burning. It's pretty dark out, so we're sitting ahead at the seat after our chicken's done.
Yeah, after we're done eating, we'll probably maybe play a little on the ice or something.
Yep, and then we'll put the camera down and we'll go to bed.
Yep. All right, let's check on our chicken here, see how it's cooking. It's starting to cook.
That's good.
So our chicken is all done and we just have it on this log here. You wanna try a piece, Everett?
I'll try.
Try it. How's it taste?
Crunchy and good.
Crunchy and good? All right.
Can't say it's bad.
That's our supper. 3 pieces of chicken. You getting comfy in there?
Yeah.
Yep. Think you're gonna sleep good?
Mm-hmm.
What do you got in there?
Chocolate
Chocolate and a meat stick.
and a pig.
And your teddy bear?
And I'm sleeping good.
All right, we're getting ready to call it a night. It's still sleeting on us, but we're excited yet. Hopefully Everett can sleep the whole night in the hammock and not be cold. It's time to call it a night. I'm gonna try to get into the hammock with Everett. Hopefully we both can sleep. How you feeling, Everett?
Good.
You feeling snuggly? All right, we are going to go to sleep now and hopefully stay warm. We made it all night long. It's morning time now, and of course it got real windy overnight, so I didn't sleep the best, but Everett said he slept good. Now time to get up and get packed up and head on home.
whole cold. I don't know how, but I was sleeping warm. I survived tonight at least.
So the weather was a little extreme last night. It started hailing around 5:30 and hailed till a little after midnight. And then around like 1:30 I woke up because of the wind. It wasn't quite what we were expecting, but we made it. Everett did really good. He slept good.
No lights on.
Yep, no lights. He's a little scared of the dark yet, he thinks, but he did real good. Everett is excited to do this again. I'm excited for him that he enjoys this. I wasn't sure how he would do since it was so cold. It was in the 20s, and he said he was warm, so we have more winter adventures ahead. All right, time to pack up our camp. Well, that was an interesting camp out. We had sleet for about 6 hours straight, and then it got real windy at night.
We survived the night.
We had a blast together. Thank you for watching, and catch you guys in the next video.